All right, it's 9:30. Everything loves to load. I think it's already loaded though. All right, 2 hour. We're in a bullish gap. We're inversing a 1 hour bullish gap. So it's looking like here. If we go lower, but now it's not. Now we're not inversing that gap. If we go higher, we want up here. I mean, do you have a manipulation? Let's see what the 15-minute is showing us. Okay, we're in a bullish one, but then we do have this 15-minute bearish one underneath the EMAs. So maybe that's what we want to do. We want to come in here. We want to tap into this gap here and then go lower. It lines up with 2 5-minute gaps. So let's just see. If we push above, which lines up with 3-minute gaps, so it's perf. We need a good reaction off these. All right, first 3 minutes, we have our targets, top and bottom, which is good. So we push above these, or we want to react off of these. See, there's a 4-minute one somewhere closer that we're already in. No, we're not in it yet. EMAs could still hold though as well, but I think we could come into these gaps. All right, 9:33. New candle should be printing. There it is. Yeah, we're still waiting. That's fine. Alrighty. Out of that gap on the 15-minute and the 5 and the 5-minute and the 15-minute. So let's see how this candle closes. Alrighty, and then let's see what the 1 minute is showing us. Alright, we have a 1 minute FEG as well. We can close right below. We need to close below these on the 1 minute. You can't see these on the 1 minute. So we have a bunch of these though. Came up, inverse to the upside and hit. So my bar timer is not loading. That's what I don't like. It says 0. It says 26 seconds on this one. Yeah, still no close. And we're bouncing off the EMAs now on the 1 minute to the upside. So we're just going to wait. No confirmation yet. What's the 2 showing us? Okay, the 2 is showing us a bullish fair value gap. So we're still bouncing off these EMAs. Yeah, I want us to close above these 3 minute and 5 minute ones for me to get in buys. We have room. We have room, so we can wait for it to close above these. Because see, the 3 minute and the 5 minute don't look like they're just like, oh, we want to go up. Like, kind of, but the 2 minute and the 1 minute are like, yes, we want to go up. Which, this is why we have our ruler. Because if you do want to take these trades, you want to make sure you got some room. And there's a gap up here as well. On the 2, the 3, and the 5. There's 2 gaps. So we need to close above this one for me to get... Yeah, I'm going to close above these 2. We already tapped this one twice. So this one is dead. We're going to crush through if we close above these. Stop doing that. And again, it's the big 15-minute gap here. So I like that push. Yeah, I know my bar is not working on this chart. All right, nice push on the 15. And the 3. All right, we're tapping in this top gap now. So let's see if we react off of it really nicely as well. We don't even have a CISD until still these little lines here for shorts. So we still could go higher. Like I'm not confident we're going lower yet or higher yet. We are going higher, but I need us to push. And then we have a bunch of targets up there. On the 2-hour, it is looking like we are coming up to go higher. It is. The 2-hour is looking like, yeah, we want to go higher. But the 60-minute, it's not one to do at all. I'm sweating. Two minutes left in the 15-minute candle as well. So that's what I'm looking at. Still resting below both of those, like I said, on the 4 and the 3. All right, 15-minute is pushing now. And the 1-minute is pushing as well. And 1 more minute in the 15-minute candle. We have a bunch of space at the EMAs. It might be looking good. Okay, our new CISD is here, but I still wouldn't even take this until we cross back below our first one because just more confirmation. All right, now the 15 minutes looking like it is still closing underneath that gap. And there was a little liquidity sweep here on the 1 minute, as you see. So you have that higher fair value gap up there. And it closed below this. We're just trading in between two gaps. There we go. There's our close below. Well, not quite. All right, 16 seconds in this candle. And if we're still closed below this, we're going to short. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where's the next candle at? All right.
Order submitted.
We are in our shorts.
Order submitted.
So we waited, got a liquidity sweep. We got, we do have a, liquidity right here. If this is your target, like I said, I want that hourly one. Let's just see what we get. I think stop loss is in a good place. If we have to move it to the high, we shall. I think it's good. We got a liquidity sweep. We did sweep this liquidity as well, though, so. I'm confident. Oh, now we have a new fair value gap made, which is also good. Love when a new fair value gap is made. So, should tap back into it. Push lower. We're below the EMAs with a lot of space. Bounce up a 15-minute fair value gap twice. Then we can trail after we take out this lower side liquidity if we want. And yeah. Slow day, but no news this week at all, so. Like I said, there's that fair value gap right there. So it can go back and tap it. We're not worried about it. Nice push. Still haven't tapped that fair value gap, so I'm not moving my stop. Let's hope we just push right on through. You can have your limit order set that fair value gap if you want. Now if we close above it, yeah, it might be a little rough. But I don't think we should close above it. Now if we do close above it, that might be a sign we want to take out the buy side. But I do think we can hold, like I said. And then I guess we would put our stop. If we do, we want to let it maybe sweep up here, but we'll wait. Like I said, I think we can hold. And or the 100 and 200 EMAs will hold. All right, react up that fair value gap. Boom. Like we called. You can move your stop to that high now if you want. I'm not going to get to like 100. Good trade so far. It's doing what we expected to do. Now I said you can close here, trail here. That's a liquidity sweep right there. We want to. We gotta take this one first before I even. We should push. Which this is an equal low now. An equal low. These two together. That is an equal low. So. Like I said, I want this hourly low. Or even this, yeah. Or even this hourly low here. There's an hourly low here. As well. So. We swept this liquidity, so now we're moving it down to there. All right, we hit 100. You want to trail. There we go. We're pushing now. Pushing now. Ooh.
Order filled.
I feel like it'd be moving up for my TP and then closing me out. Oh no, it did. It hit it. A little good on the top step. A little short on the my funded futures and some of the Apex, but it is what it is. Yeah, another win. So you know how we do. We just a slower day for sure, but still a good trade, still a good win, and life is good per usual.